Good morning, lovely. How are you today?
I'm very well, thank you, Keanu. And you?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking. It's nice to see you.
It's nice to see you too. Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, it was great. I relaxed a lot.
That sounds perfect.
Are you having a busy day so far?
Just starting, but yes, a little busy.
Well, have a good day.
You too, Keanu.
What time do you usually wake up on weekdays?
I usually wake up around 7 o'clock.
7 is early. Do you exercise right away?
No, first I drink coffee, then I check emails.
I see. How long does it take you to get ready?
About 30 minutes, generally.
And do you always eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I like eating cereal before I leave.
I prefer toast. We have different routines.
That's true.
Hello. Do you have any fresh muffins this morning?
Yes, we have blueberry and chocolate chip.
Great. I will take one chocolate chip muffin, please.
Anything else to drink? A coffee?
Yes, a small black coffee, please.
That will be $5.50 in total.
Here is $6. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Here is your muffin and coffee.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too.
Excuse me, lovely. Do you have the time?
Yes, just a moment. Let me check my phone.
Thank you. My watch stopped working this morning.
Oh dear, it is exactly 9:45 a.m. right now.
9:45 already? I need to hurry to my meeting.
Yes, it starts in 15 minutes, doesn't it?
It does. I need to be fast.
Good luck with your meeting.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Wow, the sun is really bright today.
It is beautiful. I think it will be quite warm later.
Do you like warm weather or cold weather better?
I definitely prefer warm weather. I don't like winter.
Me neither. What is the temperature supposed to be today?
I heard it will reach about 28 degrees Celsius.
That's great for the afternoon walk I'd planned.
It's a perfect day for being outside.
I agree. Let's enjoy the sunshine.
Absolutely.
Excuse me, I am looking for the main train station.
The main station? Yes, I know it.
Could you tell me the best way to get there?
Sure. Go straight down this road for 2 blocks.
Straight down this road. Okay.
Then you will see a big supermarket on your right.
A supermarket. Should I turn right there?
No, turn left immediately after the supermarket.
Turn left. Got it. Thank you for the help.
It's right across from the park. Good luck.
Good afternoon, lovely. How was your project going?
Hello, Keanu. It's going well, but I'm very busy.
I know that feeling. Did you have a good lunch break?
It was too short, but the sandwich was good.
That's what matters. Are you planning to finish early today?
I wish. I probably need to work until 6 p.m.
Don't work too hard. Take a little break later.
That is good advice. I will try.
Okay, see you around.
See you.
Hi, can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you are. Are you ready to order?
Almost. I think I will have the chicken salad.
Excellent choice. Would you like a drink with that?
Yes, just a glass of water, please. No ice.
Water, no ice. Anything else for your order?
No, thank you. That is everything.
Great. Your food will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
What are you doing tonight, lovely? Any big plans?
I'm planning to stay home and read a new book.
That sounds relaxing. Do you usually read a lot?
Yes, when I have the time. What about you, Keanu?
My friends and I are going to see a movie at 7 p.m.
Oh, which movie are you seeing?
It's a new action film. Do you want to join us?
That's very kind, but I need a quiet night.
I understand. Maybe next time.
Have fun at the cinema.
It was great talking to you today, lovely.
You too, Keanu. We should chat again soon.
Absolutely. I have to go now, though.
Okay, have a wonderful rest of your day.
Thanks. I hope your evening is quiet and relaxing.
It will be. Don't forget your coat.
Oh, thanks for reminding me. I almost forgot it.
Take care now, Keanu.
You too, lovely. See you tomorrow morning.
Bye.